Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today we will be talking about cables. We all know we use cables for our daily use, like for example if you're charging a phone, doing a data transfer, but we came across a lot of problems. Sometimes we cannot find the right cable, or if not right cable for the device. For example, that's why I bring this box to show you guys this mess. And we were doing our research about it, and we came across this brand called Magtame, and they provide these amazing magnetic cables, and this can sort out all the problems which I have talked about earlier. Alright, so let's unbox this cable and see what do we have inside these boxes. So these are the cables we have. They have provided with some variety of cables according to your need, what you need. So we put these cables on test from last 1 week, and we wanted to see that whatever they have mentioned on their website is accurate. So let's unbox this first one. So first one, it says is the CC super fast charging magnetic 3-in-1 cable, and this one have 100-watt charging power, 20 GP per second transmission speed, and we have the automatic absorption. This one is 1.5 meter, and even they put their brake test they have done, which is 20,000 times. You see, this is what I'm talking about. Out of the box, it just looks so organized. This is how you can just put it wherever you want to put it. So these are magnetic. If you have metal plates and all these things, you can just stick them on it, it will stay there, and it's very strong hold as well. And you take this out just like that. They said something about it that the strength is the 30 kgs. That's strong it is, and this is how the quality of the cable is. So once I'm done with the cable, I'm just simply gonna roll it and it will take its position itself. Very good, very strong, very solid cable. The next one, we have this magnetic charging data cable. This is a mini size portable cable, magnetic self-winding, which is the one we were talking about. And you see they have a lot of options. They have A lighting option, AC, C lighting, CC, so you can choose from the website. So we have this one, so let's unbox this same cable. Look at this, how nice this cable looks like. So this one comes with the different threads as well. So you want black, you want like gray, like this kind, or you can get the blue one as well. This is 240 watts charging cable, and this one is the C to C, means type C to type C. And the same thing, which is this one, which is the A to C as well. And the other thing about the material, what material they use is the PE, rubber, magnetic, nylon, and LCP. So you can check these out on the website. Even further details available for what other materials they use for these cables, and that's how it becomes very durable as well. Alright, so the next one we have is the C lightning cable. So for your iPhones and all that, if you're using a lightning cable, you can use this, and this one comes in the black color. Oh wow! Oh, I did not expect this one to be like this, because I have tested all the rest of the cables and my team tested this one. This is first time I'm opening this. Oh, this is not the round, this is like, oh wow, this is like a flat. These are the ones O cables, right? And this is called the C cable, so that's why it's like this shape. Again, is the durability and the strength on these cables are amazing. The data speed and charging capacity and all that. So this is from the type C to your lightning cable. So many options available for you. Alright, so let's open the last one, which is the micro USB cable. So if you guys can see, so this is what I was talking about, the variety of the cables they have. Whatever you need for your use, you can get it from them. So now I'm gonna tell you how this all magnetic things work. Alright guys, so how this magnetic work on this cable, we all know there are North Pole and South Pole. For example, if this is the bottom of the O cable is the South Pole and the top is the North Pole, means then they will attract to each other. This is how you can organize it very nicely. And same applies to the C cable, which is the top is the North, for example, and the bottom is the South Pole, and it will be attracting to the opposite direction or opposite pole, you must say. This is how it works. Whoever come up with this idea, I must say a thumbs up to the person behind or the team behind. Super genius idea, and that's how you can keep your cables so organized. Alright guys, so let's talk about all the specifications and amazing features of these amazing cables. The Magtame cables take a very unique approach to cable management, and it works amazingly well. These Mag cables are near impossible to tangle due to the magnetic nature and thickness they have. This means you can put them in your pocket or bag without worrying about them knotting up inside. They are also highly versatile in how you can arrange them using their magnetism. You can use any magnetic surface to stick the cables in order to free up more space on your desk. You can also do stuff like stacking coils sideways if you want to get fun with these cables. Now let's talk about the Mag cables themselves. The 4-pin 18AWG wires are highly insulated with high resistant mylar film. These wires are then covered by thermoplastic TPE that helps to protect the cables from damage and fraying. Finally, all of this is covered by a nylon braided wires to give the Mag cables an aesthetic touch. Magtame offers huge variety of wires from C to C, A to Lightning 240 watt fast charging to even 20 gigabytes per second fast data transfer cables. The Mag cables are absolutely worth getting and are fun to play with to spice up your wire management. Alright guys, so I think you should order for yourself. It's gonna be very fun how you can organize your cables and you will be worry free from all the tangles and the problems that comes with the cables. So I hope I have covered all the amazing features of this cable in this video. If you guys like this, so don't forget to drop a thumbs up and let me know in the comment section what do you think about these cables or what cables you are currently using. I'll be happy to know about that. Or if you want to know more about it, you can let me know in the comment section. I will be also dropping a link of their website, and if there is any promo codes available in the description of this video, so do check that out. Until then, take care. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.